In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance on Wise account. This quick walkthrough is perfect if you want to confirm your available funds, see how much you have across different currencies, or simply get familiar with where your money overview sits in the Wise mobile app. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. Once the app loads, you'll land either on your most recent screen or the main dashboard. We'll be navigating from the home area because that's where Wise gives you a clear snapshot of your money at a glance. If you find yourself on another tab, no worries, just look for the home option at the bottom of the screen and tap it. The home tab is designed to be your starting point for an overall view of your account. At the top left area of the home screen, you'll see an item labeled Total Balance. This figure brings together your available balances across all currencies in your account. It's a great way to quickly understand, in one place, how much you have without drilling down into each individual currency or balance. If you manage money in multiple currencies, this number helps you keep track of your combined funds so you can plan spending or transfers confidently. Go ahead and tap on the total balance. When you do, Wise will open a detailed view that breaks down your money by currency and balance. This page is especially helpful if you want to see exactly where your funds are held. You can scroll through to view each currency, check which balances contribute to the total, and make sure everything looks as expected. If you work with international payments or travel frequently, this breakdown can help you decide whether to convert or move money before you spend. If the total doesn't look current, try refreshing the page by pulling down on the screen and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also, keep in mind that exchange rates can affect how your overall balance appears when converted to a single view, especially if you hold multiple currencies. If something seems off, a quick refresh usually clears it up. That's all it takes. Open the Wise app on your phone, head to the Home tab, spot the total balance at the top left, and tap it for a full breakdown. Simple, fast, and reliable for keeping tabs on your money. If you want a clearer picture of your finances or just need reassurance before making a payment, this is the best place to start.